How's it going? Conor here, helping men losing more body fat, building muscle mass so they can look and feel their best no matter how busy their lifestyle. And on today's video I'm going to be showcasing 10 extremely effective push-up only variations that you can perform absolutely anywhere to help build that bigger, leaner, stronger, more powerful and athletic upper body. So let's get it. So team, the first variation is just going to be your normal push-up, okay? So your hands shoulder width apart, coming right down, chest touches the ground, and power right up again, okay? Now, with that normal push-up comes a lot more opportunity to overload your body, and this is where so many people go wrong. You just think a regular push-up, push out as many reps as you can, and that's going to be effective over time. It might be in the short term, but if you want to continue overloading your body, build that bigger, leaner, stronger, more functional and athletic muscle mass, you need to switch things up, you need to overload your body. So one of the key techniques there with that normal push-up is to slow it right down. So coming right down, slowly, 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 and then slow on the way up again. Okay? That makes it so much more difficult just by simply slowing down the range of motion and then right back up again. Now, you can do the opposite, you can make that faster in the sense where you're coming down slowly and then you're coming up fast, power, slowly coming down and then coming up with force and power. And that right there, exercise number one, your normal push-up variation and different techniques there that you can overload your body to make that push-up more difficult. So team, exercise number two is going to be your knuckle push-up. Now this simple technique will not only help overload your body by increasing the range of motion, but it's also going to help strengthen your forearms and your wrist. So knuckle like so, your knuckles positioned like so, and from here just perform your normal push-up, okay? Coming right down, powering right back up again. Now if you want to increase the difficulty, you can power that into a normal push-up and then back into your knuckle. Now that makes it a lot more difficult when you're overloading your body. You're going to gain more size, strength and athleticism by implementing that simple technique. So team, exercise number three of 10 of my most effective push-ups is going to be your spider crawl push-up. Now I haven't showcased this variation in a while, but it's a very effective movement to not only target the chest but also engage the core, help with flexibility and athleticism. So what I want you to do, get into your high push-up position. From here, you're bringing your knee up towards your elbow like so. And then you alternate. That's your spider crawl push-up. And once again, if you want to overload your body, make that exercise more difficult, throw an explosion in. Just like that. It makes it so much more difficult and you're overloading your body. See, these simple techniques is where people go wrong with body weight training. They don't push themselves, they don't overload their body, they don't push through failure to therefore gain more muscle mass and strength and size. So a brilliant technique there, exercise number three, spider crawls. Okay team, moving on, exercise number four, diamond grip push-up. Okay, now this is one of my favourite movements to really help build up those bigger, stronger, leaner, more powerful triceps alongside the inner portion of the chest. Now, whenever it comes to diamond grip push-ups, ensure that you have that diamond grip and you aim to get the chest right down, touch that diamond grip and power right back up again. Now that right there is extremely difficult. But if you want to overload your body that wee bit more, you can slow that movement right down, as I said at the start of the video, and slowly back up again. Where you can slow it right down and power back up, okay? You can also increase the incline, so you can place your feet on an elevated surface, perform your diamond grip, and that right there is a key technique to help overload your body. But exercise number four, diamond grip push-ups, ensure you add that into your routine to really help build up that bigger, stronger, more powerful chest, triceps, and even a bit of shoulder and core engagement. So team, we're halfway. Exercise number 5. It's going to be a different variation that you don't see in a lot of videos. A lot of people don't really push this type of push-up variation, but it is extremely effective to help overload your body, push yourself, build up that muscular endurance, and really just help with your overall upper body strength functionality. It's a mini push-up. So what I want you to do is perform your normal, get into your normal push-up position, and from here, okay, you're starting in the low part of the push-up, and you're just coming up halfway, and you're just repping it out until failure. Now this is a brilliant technique whenever you're near finished your chest workout or your push-up workout or your upper body workout, whatever it is, and you really want to just push through failure. Go as many mini push-ups as you can, and then blast out that extra few full push-ups, and you're going to see some incredible growth by just implementing that technique. So you would just power out your mini push-ups, and then when you're completely fatigued, just try to get boom, 2 big proper push-up reps, and you're going to see incredible results by implementing that technique. Exercise number 5, mini push-ups, with the final 2 being full range of motion push-ups. Okay team, moving on, exercise number 6, and we're going to focus on more one limb variations. Okay, so you're really going to try to build up towards that one arm push-up, because that is ultimately one of the most effective push-up variations that you can start to perform, help overload your body, and just take your physique to the next level. So the best way to start is to get good at archer push-ups. So your hands out wide, dropping down to one side, boom, dropping down the other side, keeping that arm fully extended, okay? Now you can drop to your knees, just so you can practice that movement, get strong at that variation, and then you can go up, perform the normal movement. And if you want to overload your body once again, you can increase the range of motion, place your feet up on an elevated surface. But that right there is going to be a key technique to enable you to perform the one arm push-ups, okay? So ensure that you get better at archer push-ups, and you will take your push-up game to another level. Exercise number 7 is going to be dive bomber push-ups. Hips up high, okay? From there, I want you to dive right down, fully extend right up, and then power back up into your starting position. So you're not only targeting the core, the chest, the forearms, the shoulders, everything is engaged in that upper body, even upper back, throughout that entire movement. It's one of the most effective push-up variations that you can do, and you can simply overload your body by performing this normal dive bomber, and then once you're coming up into a Pike push-up, and then back down again. Okay, you can also increase the range of motion by placing your feet up on an elevated surface. Okay, so you're increasing the range of motion, you're coming down even further, and coming right back up again, and throwing in that Pike push-up. And that is a fantastic movement to really help build up that upper chest and shoulders. So give it a go. Exercise number 7, your dive bomber push-up. Okay team, exercise number 8, all you're going to need is an elevated surface such as a bench, a desk, the edge of the pavement, whatever it may be, something to place your feet upon to increase the range of motion for your feet elevated push-up, okay, your decline push-up. All you have to do is get into your high push-up position, aim to get that chest right down, touch the ground, power right back up again. Now, this is one of the most effective movements to really help build up and strengthen that upper chest, and you can overload your body by doing the same thing, slowing it down, slowly coming up, or throwing in a clap, whatever it is, you can help overload your body by implementing some of those key techniques into your routine, okay? And this is why I offer the one-on-one personalized coaching program, because I can work personally with you to ensure that your program and everything is pushed on your current level of fitness, and we constantly progress throughout each session to therefore achieve incredible results. That's why the clients are achieving amazing results in such a quick space of time. Okay, but that's exercise number 8, decline push-ups. Okay team, exercise number 9 is going to be your Pike push-up. So what I want you to do is get your feet upon that elevated surface. Once again, come right in as high as you can, aim to get that nose right down, touch the ground, power right back up again. Extremely effective movement to help strengthen up those bigger, stronger, more powerful shoulders. And then if that's too difficult, you can simply drop down, okay, and just perform your normal Pike push-up. But ensure that you're constantly overloading your body by performing it on the elevated surface. Therefore, you can gain the strength to be able to perform one of the most effective shoulder movements, which is your handstand push-up. Okay, so exercise number 9, Pike push-ups. Okay team, we've made it to the last variation, exercise number 10 of your 10 most effective push-up variations. And this is going to be somewhat completely different. It's going to be a freestyle push-up variation, so it's completely up to you to mix those variations together, mix different push-ups into one big blast. Okay, and I like to do this in about 3 sets. So I'll go one blast, rest, then go again, and then finally one more. So what that would look like for me is some of the most advanced push-up variations to really help overload my body and just exert as much force as possible. Okay, so this is what it would look like. Anything from now, of course, that's extremely advanced, but I want you to add some variations that's going to overload your body, that's going to force you to push yourself to the limit, and a few variations, give it your all, rest, and then repeat another 2 or 3 times. So team, there's 10 of the most effective push-up variations that you can go ahead and perform absolutely anywhere to help gain that bigger, stronger, leaner, more athletic and powerful upper body. Team, if you enjoyed this video and you got something from it, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video or what more videos you would like to see, or even if you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will get back to them as always as soon as possible. If you haven't, please be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos, and it truly helps me out to grow this channel. It keeps me motivated to keep on pushing forward with YouTube, so I would really appreciate it. And if you're looking to take your physique, your health, your functionality, everything to the next level by training like a warrior, click the link below and apply now for my one-on-one personal transformation coaching program, and I will see if you're a good fit, and hopefully you and I will be working together to help get you into the best shape and the best health of your life. But once again, thank you so much for the incredible support. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.